How to convert your Shopify site to Wix. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to convert your Shopify site to Wix. First, log into your Shopify account. Then, go to Dashboard. Then, on the left side of the screen, click Add Apps. Scroll down, then click the Shopify App Store. Then, click Search Bar, then type Cart to Cart, and then hit Enter. On the Search apps, click the Cart to Carts for migration up, scroll down, click Install, and the installed app, click the Install again. Then, here, just type in your email and password, and then click Sign Up and Connect. After signing in, you have to put your Wix API, and that's it. That's how you convert your Shopify to Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.